G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do a flip cup pour. This time my colours include lustrous gold and iridescent gold, which I'm going to combine into the one cup, plum pink, purple madder, iridescent blue-green, jade and titanium white. So I'm going to use my standard pouring medium for this. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more pouring medium to the two Pebeo paints. So it's time to layer the cup now. And for this, I'm going to use my standard cell activator. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. First, I'm going to start by putting a generous layer on the bottom and the sides of the cup. So I've already prepared my canvas. This is the back of my canvas. I've added painter's tape as well as giant push pins. So it's time to flip the cup now. It's very liquid and very full. So I'll get the rest of the paint out of the cup, spread it around the edges and the corners. I'll just pull up some table paint to cover the edges. Wonderful. So I'm just going to pop the bubbles with my heat gun. Wow, this is a stunning piece. So I did actually have kind of complementary colours in there. So I had the greens and I have the pinks or reds, and the expectation with putting complementary colours together is when you get layering effects, you're going to get muddy browns. And I have got a little bit of that happening up here, but I also have some very interesting patterns happening. So I've got some beautiful stripes and juxtaposition of those two colours. I've got this layer or veil of the green on top of the pink, and you can see the bubbles of the pink showing through, which is just amazing. And then I've got this beautiful lacing down here. So the paint is very thin, and I probably do need to spin this out now. Let me just work out where exactly the bulk of the paint is, because I'd really like to keep this section, if I can, not lose it off the edge. So I'm just going to make it bigger. So it's closer to the center. Rightio, so I might spin it now. Just fix these little edge bits. Wow, stunning. Wow, that's just incredible. My goodness, I was not expecting this result from this pour. So what I'll do now is I'll just cover the edges. Cover the corners. And then pull the paint off from underneath the edges, just the excess paint. This piece is just amazing. It's kind of surreal almost. It's an effect that I really wasn't expecting. And the part of it that I'm loving the most is this beautiful section down here. So you've got this lovely pink lacing, and then between the lacing, it's as though you're seeing mist in the distance, something like that. It's a stunning kind of soft blue and green together with a little bit of the gold in there as well. And then over here on the left, we've got beautiful pale green lacing and the opposite kind of combination. So we've got the pink underneath. And then the rest of this is these beautiful layers and transition zones and just very delicate kind of lacy effect. And I'm just absolutely loving this piece. I'm really pleased with it. So anyway, thanks very much everyone for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments.